welcome back to N1 N2 tutorial. I am N1. Friends, welcome to the second part of simple interest. Friends, before we proceed with the video, please click the red subscribe button and ring the bell. Do not forget to smash the like button. So, let's start. The agenda for this video, or what we will do in this video, we will be proceeding with the numericals that we left in the last part, that is simple interest part 1. So friends, if you want to watch simple interest part 1, click on the white tag above. And friends, the second point, we will be solving the numericals. We will be solving them using appropriate formulae. So, let's start. Numericals. Sum number 4. Actually, we are starting from sum number 4 because I gave you an introduction on simple interest and also proceeded with 3 numericals in the previous video, that is simple interest part 1, and now I will be proceeding further with sum number 4. And let's start the sum. The sum says, at what rate percent simple interest will a sum of money will amount to 5/4 of itself in 4 years 6 months. So friends, when the sum says about the sum of money, it means principal. Okay. And at what rate percent simple interest will this sum of money, will this principal, will amount to 5/4 of itself. Friends, the itself here says will amount to 5/4 of itself. Itself means this sum of money. Okay, and this sum of money is P in 4 years and 6 months. So friends, let's proceed with the numericals. So let's write the sum number here, sum number 4. And friends, we will write here, let the principal is unknown. So we will write, let the principal be is equal to x, or you can also write let the principal be x. So then the amount will be sorry excuse me, the amount will be is equal to 5/4 of rupees P. Okay. See friends, the sum says will amount to 5/4 of itself, of P. So we wrote here 5/4 of rupees P. So now we will write rupees 5/4 of rupees P is equal to rupees 5/4 P. And after the amount, we will write, we have to take out the simple interest. Simple interest is equal to amount, which is A, minus principal. Okay. Please refer to the last video to learn this formula, and there is also another formula in the previous part. So SI is equal to A minus P. So in this case, we will write SI is equal to A, amount is rupees 5/4 P, minus, we will take it as P. So we will write P, amount minus principal, and let's calculate it. We will keep the rupees sign out and we will write here 5 by 4p minus, when there is nothing here you can assume it as 1p. Okay, so we will write it like this. When there is nothing below you can write it as 1. Okay, so first we will take out the LCM of 4 and 1. So 4 comma 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now so the LCM is 2 into 2, which is 4. We will write it like this. The rupees will be outside. And so 5 into 1 is 5 minus 4. So the SI is equal to rupees, actually we forgot to write P here. 5p minus 4p is equal to rupees 1p by 4. Okay, so this is our SI which we got. So now let's proceed. The time, we will write T for time. Time is equal to 4 years and 6 months. So we will write T is equal to 4 years and 6 months. So 4 years and 6 months will be written like this: 4 6 by 12. Okay, we have to divide it by 12 as it is talking about years, and 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 4 years and 6 months by 12. And now we have to reduce it to the lowest term. 6 1s are 6 2s are, so we can finally write it like 4 1 by 2. Okay friends, or we can also write it like this: 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 years. Okay, so this is our time. And now we have to find the rate. So the formula for rate is R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. Friends, if you want to know how to find this formula, you can refer to my last video also. And R is equal to the SI that we got here. SI is rupees 1p by 4. So we will write it as 1 by 4p here. We will not write the rupees sign here. So 1 by 4p into 100 by P into T. The principal is P as we wrote it here. Let the principal be P. We do not have to consider it as X. P into T. The time is 9 by 2 years. So we will write 9 by 2 here. And now we will solve this sum. R is equal to, we will first write 1 by 4 P into 100 into 1 by p into 2 by 9. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, p will be cut, 2 ones are, 2 50s are, and now we are left with 50 by 9. Okay friends, the rate 50 by 9 is the rate percent. So you can write the rate as fractions. Okay, you can write it like this: 9 fives are 45, and then we are left with 5 and 9. So the rate percent is 5 by 9% per annum. Okay friends, so this is the answer. We can write it as mixed fractions, and we can also write it as decimals. So friends, we have solved sum number 4, and now we will be solving sum number 5. What sum of money, means P, principal, will amount to 3,500. Actually we have to write our rupees here. Will amount to rupees 3,500 in 5 by 4 years at 10% per annum simple interest. Okay friends, so first let's solve this sum. Yeah, we will write the sum number 5 here, and then first we will write amount, which is A. Amount is equal to rupees 3,500, and then we will write time. Time is equal to 5. Let's confirm first. Time is equal to 5 by 4 years. Time is equal to 5 by 4 years, which is equal to 4 5s are 20 plus 5 is 25. It is equal to 25 by 4 years. And now see friends, when we are converting this 5 by 4 years to 25 by 4 years, actually we are converting this mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction, 5 by 4. We are converting it to an improper fraction, which will be easier for solving our sums. So time is equal to 25 by 4 years, and the rate is equal to 10% per annum. So rate is equal to 10% per annum. Friends, the per annum is equal to per year. Okay, per annum means per year. So now I will teach you a new formula for doing this sum, which is this one, formula number 3. Friends, this is formula number 3, as I taught you 2 more formulae in my previous part. So formula number 3, which is A is equal to, in bracket, 1 plus R into T by 100, and outside the bracket it's P. So let's use this formula, and then we can write A, which is 3500 in this case, or rather in this numerical, is equal to 1 plus R into T. R is 10% into T. T is 25 by 4 years. So here we will only write 25 by 4. And now we will write by 100. And actually friends, we have to give this in a bracket. And here outside we will write P, which is the principal. We don't have any P here, so we will just write principal as P. So let's solve this. 3500 is equal to 1 plus 10 into 25 by 4. So we will write it as this: 10 by 100 into 25 by 4. And now we will reduce it. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 4, and 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, and P here. So let's again solve this sum. So we are finally getting 1 plus 5 by 8, and here P. So now we have to take the LCM of 1 and 8. So 1 comma 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, and 2 ones are 2. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. So 1 into 8 and 8 into 1. So friends, 3500 is equal to 8. First we have to write the number, the LCM that we got as 8 here. 8, and now we will write 8 here. 8 plus 5, close bracket, and P here. Now 3500 is equal to 13 by 8 and multiplied into P. Friends, actually I am showing you this sum step by step, so it is taking a bit time. It's taking a bit long time. Equal to 3500 into 8 by 13. So let's calculate this. Thirteen ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, and then we are left with 9. So answer is principal is equal to rupees 2153.84. Okay friends, so now let's proceed with our third sum, which is here. In what time will the simple interest on a certain sum of money at 1/2% per annum be 1/2 of itself? So friends, in this sum the question is in what time. See the word time. So time means T. We have to find the time. Will the simple interest on a certain sum of money. Friends, the word sum of money, as I told you before also, means P, which is the principal. At 3 1/2% per annum. Per annum means per year. B 1/2 of itself. So let's solve this sum. First we will write the sum number 6, and now we will write let the sum of money, which is actually the principal, B is equal to P. Okay, so let the sum of money, the principal, be P. And now we have to write, so the simple interest will be the simple interest will be 1/2 of rupees P, and 1/2 of rupees P means rupees 1/2 P. And what is the rate of simple interest? Rate, in short, we can call it as R. Rate of simple interest is equal to the rate which is given here, 3 1/2% per annum. 3 1/2% per annum. So rate is equal to 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 7/2%. Okay, 7/2% per annum. So now we will calculate the sum. And now friends, before calculating, let me tell you that we have to find time here. So the formula for calculating time is T is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. Okay, so T is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. So let's put the variables. T is equal to SI, and SI is 1/2 P here into 100 by P into R. P is the principal, so we will write P just like that, P into R. Friends, R is 7/2% per annum, so we will write 7/2% per annum as 7/2. Okay, and if you are guessing where did we write this percent, we have to make it 100. So 100 is already written here. So let's calculate now. First, we write T is equal to 1/2 P into 100 into 1/P into 2/7. So P and P are cancelled. 2 1s are 2, and now we are left with T, which is the time. Time is equal to 100/7, which is actually T is equal to 14,657 years which is the answer. Okay friends, 14 6 by 7 years is the answer. And friends, now the video is ending, and let me tell you something. This formula number 3, A is equal to in bracket 1 plus R into T by 100 and outside bracket it's P. This formula will be available on our blog, so please subscribe our channel and like and share our video. Thanks for watching.